Let's create an agent that gathers all Google Docs from your Drive and combines them into a single document for easy review. First, go to Tools. Then select Workflow. For this tutorial, we'll use the following prompt. Create an agent that fetches all Google Docs in my Drive and combines them into a single document for me to review. Click the Send button and wait a moment while the workflow is generated. Once it's ready, you'll see a graph displaying each step of the process. On the right-hand column, you'll find some workflow settings. Since this one requires Google Drive credentials, click the Credentials dropdown and select Create. Enter a name for your credential. This can be anything that helps you identify it later. Then click the Create button. You'll be redirected to a Google authorization page. Follow the steps to grant permissions, allowing the agent to see, edit, create, and delete files in your Drive. Once you're ready, click Continue to accept the permissions, and you'll be redirected back to Exact Agent. You'll also need to provide Google Docs credentials. Since we've already covered this process in a previous tutorial, we'll fast forward past that step. Once everything is set up, click the Save Workflow button in the top right corner. Now, assign the workflow to an agent. Click the drop-down, select an existing agent, or create a new one. Next, go to the Status section and activate the workflow by clicking Start Agent. The workflow is now live. If you visit the agent's page, you'll see the activity log. After a short wait, the log will confirm that the workflow has been executed successfully. Now let's check Google Drive. We should see a new document created by the agent, combining all your Google Docs into one. And that's it. You now have an automated process for consolidating your Google Docs into a single document for easy review.